Inba, can I call you the new Kabir Singh of the real life? I haven't read even a single negative comment about this particular trilogy. First of all, I would like to know who Inba Vignesh is. So, Inba, can we take this book as an autobiography or is it just fiction? Writer Mr. Inba Vignesh. So, hi Inba, how are you?
I'm good, Richa. What about you?
I am doing very well, and thank you so much for bearing with me.
No, I know it is always a pleasure talking to you. When it comes to my books, I would be always happy any number of times.
I can actually see the curiosity in your voice.
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. So, Inba, how has the day been so far?
Great. So I was just looking forward for this interview. So yeah, shoot it across whatever you wanted to know.
Wonderful. First of all, I would like to know who Inba Vignesh is. So, could you please tell me something about yourself? I'm sure my readers also want to know who Inba Vignesh is.
So I would like to introduce myself to the world as the author of Law of Jiluk trilogy. I think that will
That's
do.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So, are you an author by profession, or what is it all about?
See, I'm not a full-time writer.
Okay.
So, though I have published 3 books, but still I'm not come to that phase where I can devote myself completely to writing. But that is going to be my pursuit. So sooner or later it will happen. So I'm just hoping that it happens soon.
Okay. Okay, please continue, Inba. I'm so sorry to interrupt you.
Parallelly, I am actually a soft skill trainer. And of course, since I've already written 3 books, I'm quite handy with the language as well. So I do handle language as well.
Awesome. That sounds awesome. So, guys, Inba is not just a writer, but he's also a soft skill trainer, as well as he's an engineer. So, how was the journey so far, Inba, from an engineer to a writer to a soft skill trainer? How was it? And how was the reaction of the parents when you told them that I'm going to be a writer now?
See, I think whoever is watching this video, if they are engineer, if by any chance they are an engineer, see, when you stress this word time and again, I'll tell you very clearly that I am not an engineer. I am just an engineering graduate.
Okay.
So, like in our country, there are so many failed engineers. So I'm proud to be one of them. And
okay.
Probably because of that, I was able to look deep into me and find the writer inside me. So if at all I was not a failed engineer, I would have never found the writer within me.
Okay. Awesome.
So
yeah, please continue.
So my journey so far has been so good. So yeah, of course, like any Indian middle class parents won't like their son or daughter to turn into writing, especially after they have done engineering. But again, like I already said, I was never good at engineering. So I desperately was looking out for some other option, and then that's how I picked my pen. I started writing, and yeah, I'm quite happy about it because after all these struggle and after all these experiments, I've penned down a trilogy. So, like I said, the journey has been really beautiful so far.
That sounds awesome. And Inba, as you have mentioned, and I've read all the 3 books, one thing that really inspires me in your story is that mostly the new writers, they end up writing 1 book or maximum by 2 books, and it takes decades to write 2 books. And you came up with a trilogy, and a very successful trilogy. I have to mention this here. Whoever has read this book, I haven't read even a single negative comment about this particular trilogy, because I have a nature. even though my research, my surfing doesn't really affect my book reviews and everything. However, I have a nature of surfing that how did people felt about this particular book, and it's really astonishing for me to realize that there was not even a single person who has not said that it took me back to the childhood days, or it reminded us about the crush that we had once upon a time, or probably the story that we had in our life. So I have to say this, Inba, your books have been really successful about these things.
See, from the beginning, there's only one thing that I followed. I strictly held on to. See, I wanted to do it something true to my heart, true to myself. Okay, and probably that is why you feel that people are able to relate to the story. There is no, what you call this ingredients that are added. The commercial elements are there. It is like when you read it, you feel that the story is a boy next door story. Okay, and in fact, throughout my journey, the books or the story has been well received by all age of people, different age of people. Like, even schoolgoers, they relate to it. College goers, they relate to it. Working professionals, they relate to it. And even, people who are married and who are in their midlife, they tend to become nostalgic. And in fact, there were some instances where, my readers, they were, some of my readers are plus 60. They are in their retirement life. And you have to see after reading it, the smile that they flash, and I feel that's where I feel that I've done justice as a writer. And
awesome.
As people have now started talking more about Law of Jilith, and sooner or later I'm sure that it will reach the right segment of people, or the readers, those readers who can turn things around for me. So I'm just hoping for that to happen.
Right. And so, Inba, can we take this book as an autobiography, or is it just fiction? I know I've asked you a lot of times, but I'm sure the readers would also be curious. So, is it all fiction, or can we consider it as an autobiography?
Whoever picks the book, definitely they ask this question. Yeah. Why do you ask this question? It's a very simple logic. Okay. So the moment you
so ask this question is...
No. The thing is, let me repeat it. So the moment you ask this question, it means you feel that, it might be true. Am I right? It could be. Yeah.
No, it's actually the other way around. I never felt that it might be true. I was very sure that it is true.
Oh. Okay, yes. Great.
So in my case, it was a bit other way around.
The truth is, Richa, actually, I have left that to the choice of the readers. Okay. And in fact, in the disclaimer, I would have clearly mentioned that by any chance you feel that the story is true, okay, you feel that yes, this could have happened, then you're perfectly right. Okay. But if suppose you feel that how is it possible? Will there be any guy who can write a story like this? Yeah. So it will definitely be a fiction. Then I'm leaving the choice to the reader. But I have to tell you this. Whoever has read the book, they feel that the story is true.
Okay.
Going by my disclaimer, which means I think I have given you your answer.
Absolutely. And Inba, can I call you the new Kabir Singh of the real life? Should we?
See, actually, Kabir Singh is right, not me.
Yes.
I'm always there. So.
Okay. So are you the real life Kabir Singh?
You have to maybe take it like that. So it is Kabir Singh who is new, not me. I am always there. Okay. So it's all this entire trilogy. It's almost like my first book. published in the year 2014, and second book saw the daylight in the year 2017, and then towards the end of 2000, third book and the concluding part of Jhalak series, seeing the daylight.
Right.
So
Right.
by any logic, I think Kabir Singh comes next. So I think he's the one who's
Absolutely.
like.
But since I read the book after the Kabir Singh was launched and I had watched the movie, I would consider you as the new Kabir Singh for me. And I'm
Really?
happy to do that. At least now I have a picture of the real Kabir Singh.
Okay, fine.